this video, we're going to take a look at a practice question on networking. So the question we have today here is to create a namespace called finance and a network policy that blocks all traffic to the pods in finance namespace except for the traffic from pods in the same namespace on port 8080. So we are going to take help of documentation to solve this question. Here I have logged into my terminal. So first let's create a namespace called finance. Now let's label this namespace. We're going to use this label in the namespace selector of the network policy. Now let's view the labels. As you can see, we have this label applied. Now let's go to the documentation. Let's search for network policy. I'm going to click on the first link. Let's copy the example policy here. We will be modifying this as per our question. Let's go back to my terminal. Let's create a file. Let me paste this here. Let's modify the name of the policy. The namespace is finance. We are going to match all the pods in this namespace, so we need to add two empty brackets. Let's delete these lines. Let's go to the end of this line. Brackets will select all the pods in the finance namespace. So here we are going to need only ingress policy type. Let's delete egress, and we are going to select the pods using the namespace selector. Let's delete all these lines. Let's modify the label to match the label of our namespace. Which is app finance. So the port which we are going to allow ingress traffic is 8080. Let's delete all the other lines and save this file. And now let's create this policy. This policy only allows traffic from the pods in the same namespace on port 8080. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.